Now we have an Omega Genève equipped with the 565 automatic movement. To set the time, first we have to determine where we are in the 24-hour cycle of the watch. So we move the hands until the date is changing. So now we know the time is 3 a.m., 3 in the morning. And let's suppose we want to set the time for 4 in the afternoon. We will not proceed and stop here because this is 4 in the morning. And if you leave it like this, your watch will have a wrong calendar in the morning and correct calendar in the afternoon. So all you have to do is move the time another 12 hours ahead. And so now we are at the 4 p.m. position, where it's the correct time in the 24-hour cycle. Now to set the calendar, you pull the crown even further outside and it's changing. Another pull further. With each pull, the date is changing until you find the desired date. Then you pull inside and your watch is now ready to be worn. Have in mind that when you set the time, it's easy to pull the crown accidentally further and change the calendar. So better be a little careful when you pull the crown outside for your watch. Thank you for watching. Take care.